I want to continue the series about AI generated tasks requests. You can see I put them side by side because you can clearly identify the same structure. Summary deliverables with a list. The only difference in structure is that this person or company wanted to hire three different freelancers, something that I will comment later. The left one is worse than the right one because this one is too general. They ask for few data summaries. They want to transform raw data into clear and concise visual representation, something that I read hundreds, hundreds of times. And then the blah 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 ideal candidates. The right one instead is slightly more precise. They specify the context, housing costs, and more or less what they want, the relationship with several economic and demographic variables. Then they repeat the same blah blah about the ideal candidate, and the deliverables they repeat more or less what they wrote in the summary. Again, the right one is slightly better, but very far still from my guidelines. I want to repeat just some. What do you do? What do you sell? The channels to sell what you sell. If you do ads, where you have the company and who you target. Here it is not a coincidence. They want three different people because with such a general, even if less, request, it is difficult to satisfy the request. It is not the first time that I see this specification with such a general request, but with this video you see yet another case. We have two problems with both requests. People that don't know how to use generative AI for job requests, and as a consequence, we can say they don't even know how to select them. In fact, especially this one, they admit they want three different people because they don't know even how to select. And this is one of the rare cases I advise to seek advice from a recruiting company instead of writing such general requests and then hoping at least one nails it.